A lush, vibrant lawn is a hallmark of a well-cared-for home, and achieving this requires more than just regular mowing and watering. One often overlooked practice that can breathe new life into your lawn is overseeding. This simple yet powerful technique involves sowing grass seed over your existing lawn, and its benefits are nothing short of transformative. In this blog post, we'll explore the numerous advantages of overseeding your lawn, from enhancing its appearance to promoting long-term health. Over time, lawns can develop thin or bare spots due to various factors like heavy foot traffic, pests, or harsh weather conditions. Overseeding helps to fill in these gaps by introducing fresh grass seed. As the new grass grows, it thickens the lawn, giving it a lush, full appearance that's both appealing and rejuvenating. Grass varieties can become less vigorous over time, making your lawn more susceptible to diseases and pests. Overseeding allows you to introduce newer, hardier grass varieties to your lawn. This diversity enhances your lawn's resilience, making it better equipped to withstand environmental challenges and threats. A thick, healthy lawn is your best defense against weeds. When you overseed, the new grass competes with weeds for space, water, and nutrients. This natural competition reduces the chances of weeds taking hold in your lawn, minimizing the need for chemical herbicides. Grass can endure stress from various sources, such as extreme weather conditions, foot traffic, and pests. Overseeding with resilient grass varieties helps your lawn better withstand these stresses. As the roots of the new grass establish themselves, they create a stronger, more robust lawn that can handle whatever comes its way. Many grass varieties bred for overseeding are disease-resistant, which can help protect your lawn from common lawn diseases. This proactive approach to disease prevention can save you both time and money on treatments and remedies. Over time, soil can become compacted and depleted of nutrients. Overseeding can improve soil health by promoting aeration and nutrient cycling. As the new grass grows, its roots break up compacted soil, allowing air and water to penetrate more easily. Additionally, grass plants contribute organic matter to the soil as they grow and die, further enriching it. If your lawn is situated on a slope or an area prone to erosion, overseeding can be a valuable erosion control measure. The increased grass density and root structure help stabilize the soil, reducing the risk of erosion caused by wind and water. Overseeding is a simple yet powerful technique that can rejuvenate your lawn, enhance its appearance, and promote long-term health.